Getting photography clients as a beginner may be quite tricky because you don't know where to start or you don't know where to find clients for your specific niche. So in today's video, I'm going to focus in my favorite ways to find clients, and I'm going to put a lot of attention in a particular platform which is going to give you a lot of exposure as a beginner photographer, and it's completely free to sign up. And it happens to be today's sponsor, which is Fiverr. I'm going to tell you everything about that later, and I'm going to tell you how to set up your profile as a photographer to be able to get bookings. I think it's going to be super beneficial and it's completely free. So first things first, I'm going to tell you something that you need to hear. Many times, mostly beginners, me when I started as well, we think that photography is just a hobby and we don't have confidence enough to make money with photography. I'm going to tell you that no, photography is not a hobby unless you want to, because nowadays we live in the best time ever to make money with our cameras. If you think about that, there are so many new businesses online and everyone needs photography services and video services for the social media networks or websites. You can think about models, influencers, fashion brands, product brands. Everyone needs photography. So that being said, yes, you can make money with your camera, and now more than ever. You just need to know how to get the ball rolling to make it grow and then have more clients. The beginning is the toughest part, but then I promise you that you're gonna keep growing. So one of my favorite ways to find clients as a beginner, and even now as a professional photographer, I keep doing it, is Instagram. For those who follow my channel, you know I mentioned this time ago, but I'm gonna remind you. And for those who are new, you need to know this because I think it's super powerful. So if you go to Instagram, the most powerful tool is the search bar. All you have to do is look for brands or individuals that fit your niche, your photography niche. So for example, you want to target models in London, or depending on your location, wherever you are at. So you just have to think about the hashtags they may put when they advertise themselves or they post a picture, for example. So all you have to do is put female model London. I'm gonna put that. So you have all these pictures. So now it's all about browsing all of them and see who you can help. Maybe you're gonna find very professional models. If you don't have the quality, don't approach those ones. You want to shoot product photography and you want to shoot watches. So let me put then watches London. Again, you're gonna browse which pictures are good but not good enough and you can improve. So for example, I'm gonna click this one. Watches London is the brand. So I'm gonna click in the brand and I'm gonna analyze their profile. And you see they have pictures and they are not bad, but you can be doing this and even better. So all you have to do is target this kind of brands and approach them. Here you have in the bio their email, their phone number even, and you can approach them. So I'm not gonna go on, but this shows you perfectly how you can make a database of brands, individuals, models, whatever you want to target, and then approach them one by one, pitching emails or messages. I do this a lot and it's my favorite way to do it because you're gonna be able to find a lot of clients over there. So this is great, but many beginners complain. Me at the beginning, I was very bad at pitching clients. So you don't want to do that yet. I'm gonna talk now about this particular website, which is Fiverr. And Fiverr is a global marketplace that connects individuals with freelancers, which means everyone wanting a project done, they go to Fiverr to find freelancers. So that's why it's gonna give you incredible exposure, because if you are there as a photographer and someone is looking for a photographer wherever you live, you're gonna pop up and they can see your profile and they can see your gigs, because you can post gigs or projects, your price and what you deliver. And I'm gonna show you in a bit. It's completely free to sign up, so I think this is super beneficial for you if you are just starting, because you can post gigs as a product photographer, portrait photographer, content creator. You can create as many as you like, and I'm gonna show you now. Okay, so this is the website, this is Fiverr. And as you can see here, you can find freelancers. You can put here the project you are looking for, and Fiverr is gonna match you with freelancers. So this is, for instance, if you want a graphic designer for your photography logo or something like that, you can book services here, but we don't want that today. So you're gonna go here, become a seller, because you want to sell your services. And here you would go to join, and you can sign up with Facebook, Google, Apple, or with email. But I'm not gonna go here because I already registered, so I'm gonna go to sign in. And here you have to switch to selling. It's very easy because Fiverr is gonna ask you everything they need to know about you to be able to build your profile. But I'm gonna show you more or less what they're gonna ask you for you to have an idea. But it's very easy to follow up. So you're gonna have to put the best headshot you have of yourself, something creative even better. And then you're gonna put your username is this one. And you're gonna find that most of them are taken, okay? So I did put Laura_BC_, and that's fine because you can still put your username manually, which is LauraBC. It's the display name, so that's fine. Then you're gonna be able to put here, where are you from? I put Spain, and doesn't matter, I'm from Spain and I work in London because I actually asked them. And the important part is when you post a gig or a project, you put the location. So it doesn't matter, I say here, I'm from Spain. And then here, you put a description of yourself. Actually here, you put a very small description of yourself, photographer and creative director. And then here, you are a bit more extensive and you have to sell yourself, your experience, what you do, and all of that. Languages, English and Spanish. Then you can put here the accounts, link your accounts, basically. Skills, very important. For example, I put photography, portrait photography, product photography, lifestyle photography. I recommend you, this is my personal opinion and preferences, to don't put too many niches because it does look more amateur. I would put just 3, the 3 main ones you do and practice normally. Portrait, product and lifestyle, you can make a lot of income with that because it's very requested, but this is up to you and depending on your niche. But you can put it here because you're gonna be able to be found. And then education, you would put here your education, certifications, and whatever you want to fill, but it's mandatory for Fiverr to accept your profile. And this is the fun part. This is where you're gonna be able to post your gigs, your pricing, what you deliver. And I love Fiverr because you can be incredibly specific. And clients nowadays, they want to see everything you're gonna do for them because we are all lazy and we are all busy. So we want to be able to know everything about what you can offer as quickly as possible without having to contact you. So be very specific. And with Fiverr, you can do that. So I'm gonna edit mine to show you what I did, but it's very easy. So you go here, I have 2. I will do a creative portrait photoshoot. I will do a product photoshoot. But here I put a product photoshoot I did with a model for homeware. But you can put whatever you want, but your best shot to be more catchy. So if I go here, this is how the client is gonna see it. 3 main photos I put, this one, and this one, because I'm offering creative portraits. So I had to show creative portraits. Then if you go here about this gig, this is the description of the gig, this is the city where I'm gonna shoot, camera I'm gonna use, photo setting, I'm gonna explain everything later. What I want you to see is this. This is how a client would see your work. Creative portrait photoshoot. This is the price, a little description, and then I put already, I deliver the shots in 7 days with 1 revision, 1 hour on set, 10 photos, studios included, lighting is included in the price, and photo retouching is included in the price. I like to do that. So if they press continue because they want to book me, they're gonna order 1 or they can put more if they want, but then something I love about Fiverr is extras. Here they can book you and as an extra, they can pay more if they want the pictures delivered in 2 days. And this is great because many times people rush me because everyone is in a rush to receive pictures and I never charge them more. You know, I always over deliver, I like to do it. But if you want to offer this extra, it's great. And then I put as well hair and makeup. I can book a makeup artist in London and they have to pay a little bit more for that. So they would click here and you're gonna see how the final fee goes up. And then they would press continue and they would follow the process and book me. And this works all internally. And I love that, and more if you are a beginner because you are not used to work with clients. And at the beginning can be overwhelming. So you do it here. All the payment process and negotiation with the client is through Fiverr, and you have a customer service as well. So basically when you're gonna get paid is through Fiverr, through the website, if you are scared of dealing with clients at the beginning personally. But then what they do, obviously, is keep a little commission from the final fee. Just when you get booked and you deliver the work and you get paid. Otherwise, they don't take anything from you. So I think it's fair enough. I used to do this years ago, so I think it's very beneficial for you. So now, I'm gonna go to edit the gig to show you how you have to do it. So this would be the first page. You put gig title. I will do a creative portrait photoshoot. Here, category, you would put photography, and I put portrait photographers. You can choose whichever. And then here, city, I put London. In subject, I put headshots, single shots, and other. And I put press shots because I do this with music artists in London. Photo setting, a studio. I'm offering a studio in this gig, but then you can do another one for outdoors if you want to. Camera, mirrorless, and DSLR. Then positive keywords. This is very important to give more chance for clients to find you. So you can put up to 5, and I did put portrait, photography, creative, headshots. So mostly clients are gonna put this keyword when they're gonna look for a photographer, so that's why I put it. Then if you go here to pricing, you can work with one basic rate, as I did for this one, or you can offer packages, a basic one, a standard, or premium. And I love this because you're gonna give the client more possibilities. So I removed it for this one, and in the title I put creative portrait photoshoot. And very short and sweet, I put, I will do a creative portrait photoshoot using a variety of lighting setups and backdrops, because this is what I'm gonna do exactly. Delivery, you can put as many days as you like, 7 days. Hours on set, 1. Number of photos, around 10. Hair and makeup, studio included. I'm not gonna go through everything because it's gonna be so long this video, but you're gonna be able to put everything so specific, and I love that because clients want to see that. And then you go here to my favorite part, which is extra services. So you want to offer an additional hour on set, you can click here and put the price for an additional 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. I love how specific it is. Additional photos, extra fast delivery. I think this is a great extra to have. Hair and makeup, photoshoot stylist, tethered live view, this is up to you. Commercial use, additional revisions. So you can add as many as you like. And then the next step would be description. And here I've been more extensive. And I want to explain something which you may love, which is milestone workflow. In milestone workflow, you're gonna be able to split your process. So if you split the process of a photo shoot, you're gonna be able to get paid by parts. For instance, for a photo shoot, you can split it in 3. The day of the photo shoot, when you edit the photos, and when you deliver the photos. So the day of the photo shoot, when you finish the photo shoot, you're gonna get paid part of the fee. When you finish editing, you're gonna get another part of the fee. And when you deliver the photos, another part of the fee. I don't know exactly which milestones you can build, but you know what I mean. So I think this is great. I personally prefer to get paid right away, but you can do it this way as well. And then you go to requirements, and these are questions for the client to help you understand the client. My own question, you can create as many as you like. I put, which photography style do you like the most for your portraits? Creative using a black backdrop, creative using a white backdrop, basic headshots. Why I ask this? Because I like moody photography. If you follow my work, you know that. But maybe some producers, music producers, DJs, or artists, they don't want that. They prefer creative pictures, but with a white backdrop. So they can answer that here. Or maybe some others, because I did have clients, they just want basic headshots. So I put it there as a possibility. So this is great because I already gonna know what they need. And then in the gallery, you're gonna be able to upload images, up to 3, put your very favorite ones and the best ones you have. 3 of them, and they need to reflect exactly what you are offering. Then video, you can upload as well, and trust me, video is very beneficial because people love to see who they wanna work with. And then you can upload as well documents. It can be a collage, a PDF explaining better the photo shoot, whatever you like. I think Fiverr has so many things and features that they're gonna help you to book clients. So this would be the last step. And once you finish, it would go live and you have it here. Then if you press here, you can even boost your traffic, setting it on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. It goes without saying why I love Fiverr and more for beginner photographers, because you get tons of exposure globally, and you can sign up through the link below for free. You can set up your profile as a photographer for free and start selling your services for free. Thank you so much, Fiverr, for sponsoring this video. And by the way, if you have any question about Fiverr, I would be very happy to help, as always. So comment below and subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, and I will see you very soon. Big love.